We've got 2021 Illusions football. All right. Good luck, Christopher. Here we go. I'm hoping not, Jay. Hoping it's not his last game. But we'll see. Hopefully he plays like it's his last. I don't know. Got Jaden Darden, rookie. We've got Devonta Smith and Deshaun Jackson. Deja Vu relics. Eagles hits. Not numbered. And Mystique Acetate, Rondale Moore. Best pull would probably be the gold Tom Brady Kaboom out of 10. Kadarius Toney rookie. D-Hop. We've got highlight swatches rookie Trey Lance. And acetate Shining Stars Trey Lance. Nice little Trey Lance pack there. Yeah, Steven, I like Illusions. For sure. Illusions has always been one of my favorites. Javonte Williams rookie. Dak Prescott. Kellen Mond rookie. We've got bronze to 499 Tutu Atwell. And Shining Stars acetate Dalvin Cook. Miles Sanders, Matt Stafford, Ramondre Stevenson rookie. We've got green ink to 50 rookie endorsements, Trey Sermon. Nice hit there for you, Christopher. Love the green ink. That's sick. 23 of 50. Couple off of that jersey number 2. Oh, for sure, Steven. Yeah, absolutely great value. And King of Cards acetate Kyler Murray for 5 hits in football. Oh, yeah. For sure. Zeke the Freak. Antonio Gibson. DK Metcalf. We've got red to 99 Dak Prescott. Filler. And Illusionist of Austin Eckler acetate. Got Trevor Lawrence, rookie. Kyler. Myles Gaskin. Ink. Out of 199, Chris Johnson. Elusive ink. And acetate clear shots, Darius Leonard. What's up, Hurley? Poor man. Cohen, Brendan, Matthew. What's up, everybody? All right. Nick Chubb, Tutu Atwell rookie, Dalvin Cook. We've got Fuchsia out of 399, Davis Mills. And acetate Devonta Smith, Shining Stars rookie. Tua, Cortland Sutton. We've got First Impressions, RPA to 99, Simi Fehoko. Nice patch there. Waves. What's up? Hope you guys are having a great day. Nice Simi. And Jamar Chase Mystique. Glad the guy I'm playing in fantasy in the championship sat Jamar Chase this week. Literally had 50 points. Jacob Harris, rookie. Justin Jefferson. T. Higgins. Bronze to 499, Nick Chubb. Acetate, Darren Waller. Last pack here for you, Christopher. Then we'll get into box number 2. How many autos of the same autos? How many of the same autos do you have of the same guy? I don't know. Kyle Trask rookie, Justin Herbert, Saquon. We've got blue to 35, Derek Carr. Nice one there. Am I, Jimmy? That's funny. Filler and King of Cards, Brett Favre acetate. All right. Box number 2. Empty. Rodgers, Danny Dimes. We have a Trey Lance rookie. Highlight swatches. of Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. And clear shots acetate Justin Herbert. Not numbered. It's Jerry Jeudy. 3 Andrew Vaughn autos. J.K. Dobbins, Sam Darnold, Keenan Wangwu rookie. We have Instant Impact, Kyle Pitts, swatch. Mystique rookie acetate, Trey Lance. Brandon Ayuk, Derek Carr. We've got a Jalen Waddle rookie. Blue out of 149, Josh Palmer, Big Palm rookie. And Illusionist, Josh Jacobs, acetate. There we go. DJ Chark, Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie, George Kittle. We have a rookie for the Patriots out of 75, Christian Barmore. Nice rookie signs there. And Shining Stars acetate, Najee Harris. All right. Big RP out of here. Amon-Ra St. Brown, who also had a very nice, he had like 30 points this past week. Baker, Jameson Crowder. Got Carson Wentz bronze to 499. This is Illusions Falcons. Illusions football. And King of Cards acetate, Mac Jones. Nice one there. Travis Kelce, Big Palm rookie, Russell Wilson. We have out of 99 for the Raiders, Superlatives, Darren Waller auto. Nice. And Illusionist acetate, Allen Robinson II. Nice, Waller. Des Fitzpatrick rookie, Jerry Jeudy, Stephon Diggs. We have Dak Prescott out of 399. And clear shots, Brett Favre out of 149. Lamb Jack, Najee Harris. Tom Brady. We have patch auto, vet out of 99, a Torrey Holt for the St. Louis Rams. There you go, Christopher. A little throwback there. Torrey Holt. And clear shots acetate, Aaron Donald. Kyle Pitts, rookie. Diami Brown, Joey B. We've got Yellow Diamond out of 249, Cam Newton. And Mystique acetate, Mac Jones. All right, last pack of box 2, Christopher. Then we'll get into your third one. Patrick Mahomes. We've got Jamar Chase, rookie. Travis Etienne Jr. Devonta Smith, bronze out of 499. Filler and Shining Stars acetate, Josh Allen. All right, that was box number 2. On to box number 3 here for you, Christopher. Again, you can find everything we have available, LaytonSportsCards.com, underneath the Personals tab. Just be sure to click RIP on Instagram, and I will get you in line. Let me do a quick refresh real quick. We've got Brandon K up next with 6 Absolute Football hobby boxes. All right, Brandon. Let's see if we can get you a kaboom out of there. Got Brandon Ayuk, Derek Carr, Jalen Waddle, rookie. A Instant Impact, Jamar Chase patch. And King of Cards, blue, out of 299, Joe Montana. Joe Montana. All right. Instant Impacts. Give me 1 second. Marshall, Kittle. We have Trey Lance, Instant Impact. And Illusionist Acetate, Dak Prescott. Up next, I have Brandon with 6 Absolute Footballs. I don't have any other personals, so if you're Brandon, you are up next. Amon-Ra St. Brown rookie. Baker Mayfield, Jamison Crowder out of 149, Derek Carr. And Clear Shots Acetate of Joe Montana. Travis Kelce, Big Palm rookie. Russell Wilson. We have Rookie Vision out of 25, Kellen Mond. Rookie Vision, 23 of 25. And then Travis Etienne Jr. Mystique Acetate. Nice Kellen Mond. Low number. All right. Des Fitzpatrick rookie. Jerry Jeudy. Stephon Diggs. Out of 399, Jared Goff. Filler. Mystique Acetate, Najee Harris. Lamar Jackson. We've got a Najee Harris rookie. Tom Brady. We have here, nice. Out of 75, Superlatives, Justin Tucker auto. That's a cool one. Best kicker in NFL history. And Shining Stars Acetate, Tom Brady. Not numbered. Nice Justin Tucker. All right. Kyle Pitts, rookie. Diami Brown, rookie. Joey B. Dalvin Cook, bronze out of 499. And King of Cards, Justin Herbert, acetate. Patrick Mahomes, Jamar Chase, rookie. Travis Etienne Jr., rookie. We've got patch auto out of 299, Ozzie Newsome from the Browns. Browns throwback. And Najee Harris, Illusionists, acetate. Immortalized. That's cool. All right, a couple packs here left for you, Christopher. Wentz, Devonta Smith, Josh Allen. We've got blue to 75, Jared Goff. And Mystique Blue Acetate rookie, Rondale Moore. Last pack, Christopher. Thanks for hopping in. Tylan Wallace rookie, Claypool. Rashad Bateman rookie. We've got Miles Sanders, Yellow Diamond out of 249. Filler. And Clear Shots Acetate, James Harrison. All right, Christopher, that will do it for you. Thanks again. Congrats on the hits, and we'll get them right out to you.